everyone, it's me. I'm here to show you guys how to make Grapefruit Palomas, which is an awesome summer drink. Feel free to grab all these ingredients and make them during our virtual happy hour. You're going to need agave nectar, club soda of any kind, ruby red grapefruit juice, tequila, I chose Blanco, and then you're going to need grapefruits, limes for garnish, and obviously ice. Okay, so you're gonna start with 2 rock-sized glasses and a regular-sized cup filled with ice. I put about 2 pieces in each rocks glass. You're gonna start out with your tequila, so this is all about personal preference. I like to do 2 shots. If you wanted to make this non-alcoholic, you absolutely could. I would just substitute more club soda in lieu of tequila. Next, you're gonna take your ruby red grapefruit juice. You're gonna do about 3 shot size portions, or whatever you think is best for flavor. Then you're gonna sweeten it with some agave syrup. So again, just a matter of how sweet you want it to be. So next you're gonna give it a shake and hope that it doesn't spray everywhere. And it did. You're gonna go ahead and pour out your drink. Don't fill it all the way because you're gonna top it with club soda. Grab your club soda, top it off. And you can garnish this really however you want. I like to use a lime and a grapefruit wedge, so I give it a little squirt. I top it with a grapefruit slice, and then there you have it. Grapefruit Palomas, great for the summer.